A millennium man cannot be a small person. If anybody feels that a millennium man should be a small person, then they don't know anything about big consciousness, universally rich in spiritual culture, to feel the effulgence of sun and moon together, to create destiny in this planet with global vision and great confidence, to feel the presence of someone who proclaimed about it. I feel I am neither late nor early. I cannot continue any systems of the past for the sake of any fulfillment. So highest three frequencies are always for the betterment of human evolution. At the same time, to feel the presence of every soul in me unit space to create destiny. That means it is not a small affair. It is a huge and big version to create destiny. Not through much about the democratical ways of one electing politicians. It is spiritual person's advent. Then it has to be beyond the politics. Then it is spiritual power. And I call it ROYL, religion of Yogic Love, of this power of space, power of me space, creator's choice, creators and co-creators. That means they have more responsible roles to feel their own presence and the purpose, power and proximity on this planet, to feel the same mind and integrated loving energies. It is not a blemish on spirituality. It is a need for uplifting human beings with a new philosophy. The philosophical key to open the hearts, then Nij Yoga system of evolution, expansive awareness of Say Yoga, Nij Yoga meditation. So many tools are there to feel the advent of a man who proclaimed about his arrival news. How can that be digested by any atheist ways of one living culture? So it's a spiritual affair. That's where Globumenons Association, Globumenons Trust, all that type of activities are also good for human species. Globumenons Association or Trust can be anywhere in this planet, including in many wonderful great nations with common sense, the highest ways of one thinking about my activities. It can be in London or New York or Singapore or in Malaysia or Asian countries. SUBE means S stands for SAARC nations, U stands for United Nations, B stands for BRICS nation, E stands for European Union, A stands for African Union. Wherever all the world bodies can also feel the Globumenons way of when talking a new spiritual consciousness with which the second coming aspect, not for any religion but for making evolution a reality, then there is love. Messengers of love and religion of love. Religion of yogic love is meant for that type of awareness with a huge business enterprising way, not renunciation. Especially for the youths who have to create huge employment for the human species without. Then my spirituality is truthful loving instincts for me brand souls to embark on a new millennium Sathya Yuga, and it is vegetarian club for me to think about a real spiritual energy channeling from the cosmic consciousness, then that will take care of many generations, especially royal families who have got marriage and progenies for the sake of qualitative living styles for the future. So I say I am neither late nor early. I am in this planet. It is not the physical form that most important, but the consciousness. So reincarnational ways of one perceiving divinity is the only way of one fulfilling anybody's way of one looking at any religion. My religion is religion of Yogic Love. New religion for many centuries to feel the presence of someone who proclaimed about his promised ways of one uplifting human beings. Straight, highest their syllabus. Straight right, straight left, straight. That's the business road. It is a peculiar additional global economy. It can be called even the second coming economy also. Only those who are going to be a part of it. All those who do not want, they have got so many global economies, they can live in tune with that. If anybody requires a peculiar fastest growth stories under Nij Raj Yogic tree, I feel that soul source economy, royal economy, beyond politics, then that itself is a sign that the whole world is going to get the message of love, message of truth, message of absolute non-violence norms, youthful energies. Then it is yogic path that sustains growth. Straight, highest 3 syllabus. All those who really want to be in the expectational standard of in anyone, they should know what is their role. All those who are criticizing me, what quality they have got. Are you a leader? Are you a man with the highest specifications? Are you in me space? All these things are essential to introspect for the sake of a real spirituality that will take care of the entire human species and the cosmos, unlimited scope for growth stories, and the power manifestation groups, power manifestation, souls, power manifestation categories. They can feel that my presence, their presence, and we are all going to be together in the business, spirituality and prosperity concept that will take care of the future generations. Straight, left you all. These few words, casual words, only for the powerful souls who can create destiny rather than creating politics and controversies and various kinds of conspiracies. All these things are not there in ME spirituality. That's why I talk straight, highest 3, through hearts to hearts, for me brand souls to think about the emerging millennium for the sake of a wonderful life with the brilliance of brains and a beautiful life that can feel the presence of someone who proclaimed about his arrival news. Straight, left you all. Few words only for missiles. Me space for missiles to create destiny. I am a business spiritual leader and a philosopher. Straight, left you all. Wish you all very happy, peaceful, loving and God conscious ways of one cosmic yogic theology and philosophy to feel my presence too. I am here in this planet with purpose. I am the son of ROYL Narayana Menon. What is importance of my appearance? I will say that my words itself is a success in my endeavor towards the expectation. Otherwise, Many will call that book a fake book. That is not a good sign for human species. So my appearance and clarity of a vision is essential for me souls, so that trauma healing all can be done properly through the arrival news. Why should those who do not want spirituality should brand a famous book a fake book? That's not good for human race. The contents may be different, but in India, realizational God consciousness is most important for any scriptures. That's why I say I am not a failure. I am granting that great success for me souls to feel all types of scriptures in tune with cosmic realities. Love the love. Love to you all.
മലയാളം തമ്പുരാക്കന്മാരുടെയും തമ്പുരാട്ടിമാരുടെയും ഹൃദയഭാഷ. ക്രിസ്തുവിൻ്റെ തിരിച്ചുവരവ് എന്നുള്ളൊരു പുസ്തകം, അത് എൻ്റെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ പുസ്തകമാണ്. അതൊരു മതത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയുള്ളതല്ല, അത് സത്യയുഗത്തെ വരവേൽക്കുവാൻ തുനിയുന്നവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി മാത്രം, മിസോൾസിന് വേണ്ടി മാത്രം. അതുകൊണ്ട് എന്നെ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നവർ ഗ്ലോബ് മേനോൺസിൻ്റെ അസോസിയേഷനോടൊപ്പം ഒരു പുസ്തകവും പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുക. റൈറ്റ്? ലവ് ടു ഓൾ. Messengers of love and religion of love. I am a Nij Raj Yogic. Highest 3 syllabus with specifications, pure vegetarian club.